Welcome to GluCare.Health, where patient-centered care meets innovative technology. First, you'll visit our clinic for registration and a comprehensive health assessment. We'll check your vital signs, collect a sample of your blood for lab analysis, and perform advanced technology analysis including body composition, abdominal scan, ECG scan for heart health, and retinopathy imaging for diabetes. Take a moment to relax at our in-clinic coffee shop before meeting with your physician. During this consultation, your medical history and assessment results will be reviewed, and a personalized treatment plan will be created. Next, our dietitian will provide personalized nutritional counseling based on your specific health needs and goals. You'll receive guidance on optimizing your diet for better health outcomes. Our diabetes nurse educator will then offer general education on diabetes management and demonstrate the proper use of CGM and other medical devices for blood glucose control if needed. To support your journey towards optimal health, our lifestyle coach will help you set achievable goals and develop a personalized plan for making gradual behavioral changes. After leaving the clinic, you'll stay connected with our clinical team through our smart device and mobile app. This will allow for real-time tracking, ongoing communication, and continuous support to monitor your progress. Should you require any additional assistance or medications, our in-clinic pharmacy is readily available for your needs. Join us on our journey towards optimal health and take control of your well-being. GluCare.Health, transforming your health one step at a time.